Hello, 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 everybody. This is Robin from Roaming with Rover, and this is our Caterpillar CrossStitch Advent Box opening. Yeah, that's it. We're opening the Advent boxes. Okay, so let's start with picking our tea. Yesterday's was not bad. The Darjeeling Spring. What do we got? Ooh, cardamom spiced. Traditional Indian masala chai recipe. Chai tea. I do like the chai teas. Let's check this out. Ooh, it's really strong. That smells good. It's a really strong smell though. Scent, I guess, not smell. It's a scent, not a smell. Scents are good, smells are bad, right? Let's dip that thing in the water, let it soak for a bit. Oh, that water's already turning brown. That's going to be lovely. That's going to be lovely. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We're going to like that one. Okay. 12 Days of Christmas stitching. I actually touched it. So we are on 11 Piper's piping. And I did the 11. And the actual horn part is done in this yellowy gold color. So I'm ready to start on that. So that will get finished at some point. We shall see. And smell that tea again. Oh yeah, I think that's going to be a good one. Yeah. Okay. Our box is number 20. It's got the Christmas tree on it. Super pretty. Let's see what our little saying says. Evergreen trees are symbols of hope as they stay lush even in the coldest months. Can you read that? Even as they stay lush even in the coldest months. They do. They lose their pine needles, but the trees are always very, very full. Okay, let's see what we've got in here. Oh, all kinds of stuff in there. All kinds of stuff bopping around. What do we got? What do we got? Oh, this is interesting. This is interesting. I thought we were going to get a pattern. I should have been guessing. I thought we were going to get a pattern just because this size box, we typically get a pattern. But there's all kinds of stuff in there. So there's definitely a pattern. Oh, it's a mini. It's a keyring project. How cute. So it's a little tiny keyring. Maybe a rainbow? Possibly a rainbow. Sometimes it's hard to tell exactly from the pattern what it's going to be. Oh, and there's our teeny tiny bit of sparkly 8 o'clock. I don't know if you can see the sparkles yet. Oh, there. Yeah, there you can see little bits of sparkle in the 8 o'clock. And a keyring kit. I have never seen one of these. The other day I saw, it was a pattern for a little moth, a little butterfly moth, something like that. And it was a key ring. And you did it, I don't know how you did it, but the key ring part was, moth shaped. So here's the little key ring set. It's got all kinds of bits in it. And there's the end. Something new I've never done before. Okay, let me see what it says. Just says mini project keyring. And I think we're using some of the same threads that we used for some of the other patterns. Very, very cool. Nice little palette cleanser, as it were, from all your big projects. Well, that's going to be interesting. That'll be fun. And of course, the fun part is trying to get this stuff all back in there. We did it. All right. What's our picture? Trees. Part of the Christmas trees. All right, let's put that in here. That's up here in the corner. All right, so you've got your line of Christmas lights across the top. And the next one is right there, number 22. So that's the next one we'll be opening up. We're getting right to the very end on this. When we get to the end on this one, remember I've got the next one, which is, I think it's a 12 Days of Christmas. Let me grab the box. 12 Days of Stitchmas. And this one is from Bothy Threads. And remember, it didn't get here in time to start opening it. So when we're done with this one, we're going to move right into that one. So we'll still have some fun things to open. All right. That is it for today. Please like, please, we didn't taste our tea. See, I do this all the time. I totally forget. It is not as fragrant as I thought it would be. Let's give it a taste. Oh, it's hot. Oh, that's good. That's good. That is good. Cardamom spiced chai tea. Very good. 2 thumbs up for that one. 2 thumbs up. I like that a whole lot. All right, now we're going to say goodbye for now, and we will see you later. Please like, please subscribe, and please pop this out to somebody who you think might enjoy it. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.